Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in a challenge. It is entitled the Dollar Tree $5 DIY Valentine's 2019. It's hosted by Bum B DIY and Laura at Creative Laura. So guys, they have simple rules, challenge rules. Upload your video to the provided playlist. The date and time is Saturday, February 2nd, anytime that day. Rule number 2, video name, Dollar Tree $5 DIY Valentine's 2019 Challenge. Rule number 3, please use the social media hashtag Dollar Tree $5 DIY. Rule number 4, you can make whatever you want for Valentine's decor or for a gift. Number 5, spend no more than $5 at the Dollar Tree. We aren't counting glue, paint, or hot glue sticks. However, if you're embellishing your DIY with something like ribbon, flowers, nautical rope, etc., then it must be from the Dollar Tree and count towards your $5. Number 6, please mention the host in the video and their links in their channels. Number 7, please be subscribed to both of our channels. To upload your video to the playlist, check the playlist link in the description box. Click and add video to the upper right corner. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, stick around. Okay guys, these are the things that I'm going to use in my DIY. Now I got these hearts here from the Dollar Tree, a red one and a pink one. And these little pixies here, I got these at the 99-cents only store. I purchased 2 of those. As you can see, I've bent the side up because I'm going to use them in there. And then I got ribbon from the Dollar Tree, the hearts, and then the plain red. And you'll be needing your glue gun and glue sticks. Okay, if you give me a minute, we can get set up and start doing this DIY. Okay guys, here's the finished product of my DIY door wreath. I got the idea off of Pinterest and I think it came out pretty good. I'm pleased with how it looks. So guys, I'm going to include a picture of the one on Pinterest here so you can see them both side by side. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share our videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, click that subscribe button down below. Once you click it, a bell will appear. Click that bell. A notification screen will appear saying send all notifications for this channel. Click the box and click save, and you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down below on the screen and as well as down below in the description. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.